institution aims to provide enriching experiences beyond the classroom. Student tours are vital for growth, don't you think? But organizing them? White Falcon Travels understands your commitment to student development. We craft exceptional student special trips across India, from academic tours to adventure camps and to exciting international destinations for cultural exchange and global learning. However, coordinating student excursions comes with unique challenges for management, ensuring safety, maximizing educational value, managing budgets, and handling complex logistics. It's a significant responsibility. This is where White Falcon Travels becomes your invaluable partner. With 15 years of industry leadership and a 5-star Google rating, we specialize in meticulously planning and executing student tours that meet your institution's highest standards. We prioritize student safety with stringent protocols and dedicated tour managers. We design customized itineraries that align with your curriculum and learning objectives. We ensure budget efficiency without compromising quality. And we provide seamless logistics and 24/7 on-ground support. Our goal is to transform your students' trips into memorable, educational, and safe adventures. Empower your students with real-world learning and unforgettable experiences, knowing every detail is handled by experts. Elevate your institution's student tour offerings. Partner with White Falcon Travels for a truly hassle-free and enriching experience. Connect with White Falcon Travels today to discuss your next student expedition. You can reach us at +91 760 956 434 or +90 700 70807.
Choose White Falcon Travels for all your travel needs. Expert planning, trusted service, and unforgettable journeys tailored just for you.